Hello everyone. Our today's topic is circle. We will be learning about circle and its components, construction of a circle using a compass, formula of radius, diameter and circumference. Do you see these shapes? The clock, the plate, the lid of a jar, the cookie and the car wheel. They are all circular in shape. But what is a circle? A circle is a plane shape which is completely curved with no corner and whose distance from the center to any point of the boundary is the same. What are some basic components of a circle? Circumference. The boundary or perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Look at this circle. This boundary is the circumference. It is denoted by C. Center. The midpoint of a circle from which a circle is drawn is known as center. Point P here in the mid of the circle is the center. Radius. The distance between the center of a circle to any point on the circumferences is known as radius. This distance between point P and a point on the circumference, point Q, joined by a line segment, is the radius of the circle. It is denoted by R. Diameter. The distance between any two points on the circumference when passing through the center is known as diameter. This line segment that is passing through point P while joining point A and B on the circumference is the diameter of the circle. A diameter divides a circle in half, two equal parts. It is denoted by D. A diameter is double of radius. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, or D is equal to 2 multiplied by R. Chord. A distance between any two points on the circumference, whether or not passing through the center, is known as the chord. Our diameter is the longest chord of any circle. This line segment that is joining point C and D on the circumference is a chord of the circle. Semicircle. When a circle is cut in half through its diameter, it gives two half circles. This half circle are known as semicircle. We can say two equal size semicircles make one circle. Quarter of a circle. When a circle is divided into four equal parts, or when a semicircle is cut in two equal parts, one of those parts is known as quarter of a circle. Four equal size quarter of circle make one circle, and two equal size quarters of circle make one semicircle. Look at these real life examples of circle with highlighted areas and recognize the different components you just learned. This highlighted line on the Ferris wheel runs through its center and divides it into two equal parts. So this line is the diameter. This highlighted slice of the pizza is 1/4 of the circle, so it is quarter of the circle. Here we have half of a circular chapati, so it is a semicircle. The line drawn from the center to the rim of the glass is the radius. The fence around this circular farm ground is the circumference. All the strings on this dream catcher are chord of the circle because they are joining different points of its perimeter. Construction of a circle. Now, let's learn how we can construct or draw a circle. To draw a circle accurately, we use a compass. A compass consists of two arms. One is metal arm and the other is pencil arm. Both the arms are joined by a hand on one side. When you fix the pencil in the compass, ensure that the tip of the pencil is at length as the tip of the metal arm. Step 1. Grab the compass from the hand side and keep it vertical on the paper on which you want to draw the circle. Step 2. Fix the tip of the metal arm on the paper where you want the center of the circle to be, and then stretch the pencil arm of the compass according to the size of the circle you desire. Step 3. Keeping the metal arm fixed on the paper, rotate the pencil arm around the center, drawing the circle. Look, we have constructed a circle. The midpoint where we fix the metal tip of the compass is the center of the circle. The boundary that we draw with the pencil is the circumference of the circle. Let's draw another circle with a given size. Example 1. Draw a circle with 5 cm of radius. Step 1. We have to use a ruler for this. Place the metal tip of the compass on 0 mark of a ruler and then stretch the pencil arm exactly to the mark of 5 cm. Step 2. Fix the tip of the metal arm of the compass on the paper where you want the center of the circle to be. Step 3. Keeping the metal arm fixed on the paper, rotate the pencil's arm around the center, drawing the circle. The circle is ready. Now, if you want to verify, you can check the radius. The distance between the center of the circle to any point on the circumference using the ruler, and it would measure 5 cm. Example 2. Draw a circle with 8 cm of diameter. Step 1. First, we convert diameter into radius. Since diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, since radius is half of diameter, it makes radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Since diameter is equal to 8 cm, radius is equal to 8 divided by 2. Radius is equal to 4. Therefore, we have to draw a circle for 4 cm radius. Step 2. We again use a ruler to measure the length of radius. Place the metal tip of the compass on 0 mark of a ruler and then strike the pencil arm exactly to the mark of 4 cm. Step 3. Fix the tip of the metal arm of the compass on the paper where you want the center of the circle to be. Step 4. Keeping the metal arm fixed on the paper, rotate the pencil arm around the center, drawing the circle. Your circle of 8 cm diameter is ready. Now, if you want to verify, you can check the diameter. The distance between any 2 points on the circumference going through the center of the circle using the ruler, and it would measure 8 cm. Calculating circumference of a circle. You have learned about calculating diameter and radius of a circle. Now, let's see how to measure length of circumference. As you have learned earlier in this lesson, circumference is the perimeter or boundary of a circle. The length of circumference of a circle is slightly more than 3 times of its diameter, or more accurately, the length of circumference is 22 divided by 7, 3.14 times the diameter of the circle. Therefore, circumference is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiply diameter, or C is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiply by 3. 22 divided by 7 or 3.14 is denoted by the symbol pi, which is read as pi. So the formula for calculating will be C is equal to pi multiplied by d. Another way of putting together the formula of circumferences is using radius instead of diameter. In this case, the formula will be C is equal to pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by r. Since diameter is double of radius, d is equal to 2 multiplied by r, or C is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. Let's calculate circumference of circle using some example. Example 1. What is the circumference of this circle whose diameter is 16 cm? Since here diameter is known, we use the circumference formula that uses diameter. C is equal to pi multiplied by d. C is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 16, as pi is equal to 22 divided 7 and d is equal to 16 cm. C is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 16, as 22 divided 7 is equal to 3.14. C is equal to 50.3. So, the circumferences of this circle is 50.3 cm or approximately 50 cm. Example 2. What is the circumference of this circle, whose radius is 36.5 m? Since here radius is known, we use the circumference formula that uses radius. C is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 36.5, as pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 and r is equal to 36.5 m. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 and 36.5, as 22 divided by 7 is equal to 3.14. C is equal to 229.4. So, the circumference of this circle is 229.4 m, or approximately 229 m. Remember, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, or d is equal to 2r. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, or r is equal to d divided by 2. Circumference is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by diameter, or C is equal to pi multiplied by d, or circumference is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by radius, or C is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. The measuring unit of circumferences is cm, m or km. We hope now you have learned about circle. If some concepts are not clear, then replay the video again and again, and still if you have any question, then ask your teacher.